Okay guys, today we are doing a review or test about the iPhone 8 Plus and the iPhone 12 Pro. As you can see right here to my left, I have the iPhone 8 Plus, and to my right I have the iPhone 12 Pro. As you can see right there, the difference between these two phones. The one to my left, 8 Plus, is shaking and it's not very good. But the iPhone 12 Pro to my right, the image looks great. I mean, it's not shaking at all. Yeah, so I don't think I have a gimbal, DJI gimbal 3. I don't think I'm gonna be using it all the time. Yeah, because with this iPhone 12 Pro, that it has a stabilization, that's a great feature. Yeah, so out there for YouTubers, real estate, or for people who likes making videos outdoor, yeah, that's a great feature right there. I mean, it's worth it spending a couple $100 more. Yeah, and I think it's even better than a GoPro Hero 8. Yeah, I have a GoPro Hero 8, and I think this one is better right here. I'm gonna be uploading just a footage with the iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, thanks for watching.